Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video, and now I am cleaning the house and I'm sweeping the spider web. It's everywhere in my room, in the fan, on the wall, on the door, in my table, on the window. Oh my god, everywhere. After that, I am cleaning the dirt in my bed. Oh my god. I took the pallets out the bed and now I'm sweeping it. It's very dirty. You see? Oh my god. It's much dust. I am whipping my bed. I remember my family had cleaned this one time, but now the Lunar New Year is coming soon, so I think I need clean this again. Here is swap. I don't know, but I show this in translate. And now I need to move my guitar and the bass to clean the floor or under the bass. Here is very dirty. In spite of the tire I make, I still do it because have my mom make I feel very happy. After take orders out of my room, I think my room is very clean, but I need to mop the floor one more time.